Good afternoon, everybody. This is Christy. I am the Intimate Warrior. I thank you so much for stopping by, and as always, I send you love. So if you hear the music in the background, I do not own the rights to this music. So today is the day of the full moon, and actually it peaked this morning at 11:16 Eastern Standard Time. How are you guys feeling? What are you guys going through? Comment below and let me know what you are experiencing. I have been, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, experiencing those type of headaches. Not really knocking me out, but present. I have also been waking up agitated, and I did so again today. And so I got an early start and got a workout in, and right after came a surge of energy, which is taking me to the lightning rod. Let's see, how do I go about this? It's such a beautiful thing. Christ has been mentioned to be the lightning, the spark, the spirit. And so when we are speaking in terms of lightning, the lightning has a purification process. In order for lightning to also be present, there has to be some form or strike into the manner of creating fire. It has to have had some form of ignition or attraction. The fire hits water, creates the lightning, or the storm has, within a storm, a lightning is present, and when it hits water, it creates this type of spark. Bear with me today. Bear with me. I am really to the point of being extremely energized. I have been charged. I have been electronically charged. And that's what it really is here when we receive the lightning rod. And it goes deeper than that, okay? I am on superpower today. Superpower. And also yesterday began to be like this as well. And so in yesterday's video, I told you that I ended up seeing the lightning. The lightning. So after my workout yesterday, that change to choose a different experience other than what I was experiencing. I was feeling agitated, cranky, and I knew that if I was going to do something positive with what I was going through, it was going to continue at a downward spiral effect. And of course, is going to create all kinds of other negative experiences within my life. I didn't want that. Now, there are all types of ways that you can enhance your life and change what you are experiencing. If you feel the need to rest, you rest. If you can get up and do something, then get up and do something. Take those walks in nature. Whatever it is, listen to calming music. Connect, meditate, create stillness, a journal, do your Bible study, personal development. The list is endless. Whatever you feel is beneficial for yourself, you do. So today I went ahead and did the same thing that worked for me yesterday. I only did 15 minutes this morning because I had engagements that I had to do. So time was restricted, and things that came up out of my morning out of nowhere, unscheduled things. So I made sure to get in 15 minutes, get my shower in, and get along with my day. And my plan was to finally come home later on this afternoon and do another workout. It hasn't worked out that way. I'm actually so energized right now that I don't think I need to. It might really make me get up and go even further. I'm also emotional today. I am feeling extremely grateful. I am also at a loss. Not really a loss. I am letting go of something today. This full moon is a representation of extreme change. However you are seeing extreme change, it's going to manifest itself this way. And even though I see change as now as a great opportunity, my body has been feeling negative, that negative charge. And the lightning is striking to regenerate me. Every time I am choosing a greater experience, I'm getting charged. I'm getting upgraded. And that's what happens when the lightning strikes. It's receiving a greater power, a greater form. And I will make another video with a kind of a more in-depth explanation about this. For those who are connected with me on Patreon, if you aren't, get connected on Patreon. The Sacred Secretion Masterclass is going to start soon. So let's get connected, fellas and gents and gals. That's silly of me. Well, I don't know why I'm saying that. So, excuse me. Get connected on Patreon is what I'm trying to say. And I'm not getting to the point. So anyway. To simplify this here, this full moon is the very first full moon of the year. So really, you can categorize today as the first day of your year. Great opportunities are at hand now as a result of today's huge jump or lightning bolt type of energy that is emitting from the heavens. It's going to hit you like a lightning strikes. And it is supposed to make you see the brighter side of things. That opportunity is coming. That your higher self is present. That there is a divine connection creating a spark within you. When we receive that spark of creation, beautiful manifestations are about to arrive, or can be achieved. If you go back into mythology, symbolically, a lightning is a weapon or an instrument, and it was often used by the gods. For example, Zeus. I talk about Zeus a lot, who comes in the form of an eagle. Zeus is portrayed as holding a handful of lightning bolts, which he is prepared to hurl toward whatever person, place, or thing that requires the attention-getting spark of illumination from the unseeable, yet ever-present divinity. So with these thoughts in mind, it becomes easy for us to recognize and understand the spiritual and esoteric concepts of the symbolization behind the bolts of lightning. It is a powerful force that is meant to awaken higher aspects of yourself, therefore higher aspects of all living. And that's what this full moon is bringing to all of us, to those who are open to receiving, that is. I have also been experiencing a lot of disruption in my sleep. And I have been waking up sometimes every couple of hours, sometimes at 2. Excuse me. I am so sorry about that. Sometimes at 2. Definitely at 3. When we are being awakened, parts of us are receiving something. Cleansing is taking place. Things are awakening. And Source speaks. I am so sorry for coughing in this video. It is opening. Things are opening. Definitely opening. And so if you have been experiencing those disruptions in your sleep and or continue to on this process, whenever that happens, just know that you need to focus on something. I know it can be disruptive, especially for those who have to go into the workforce, to not have sleep. But the concept of sleep, really, that you need an X amount of time to function, is a concept that has been embedded within us as well. Remove that concept, and what you think about sleep and how much sleep you get is going to benefit you. So when you are receiving disruption or being awakened, try to get up again. Try to get up and just be quiet. Sit with yourself. Create your stillness. Connect. Excuse me. Do some journaling. And things might come to you then, and things might not. But regardless, you are being open. You are being aware to something taking place. When it is really time for you to have that understanding, it will be so. The lightning strikes within our mind, within our spine, and connects throughout all of our chakras, awakening areas. Be on the lookout. It is happening. This is Christy. Much love, health, and healing your way. I am bringing purpose to your life. Take care.